Hi everyone, Raymond here with Co-Banker Global Luxury, featuring today this Barry Hobin-designed home in sought-after Centrepointe. Located on a quiet crescent, this home shines with natural light and timeless craftsmanship. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spa-inspired luxury ensuite. The kitchen flows into an open-concept family room with cathedral ceilings, gas fireplace, and sun-filled windows. The kitchen and bathrooms have been tastefully upgraded. The finished lower level features a home gym or a guest bedroom and a recreation area. Outside, enjoy a private backyard with an interlock patio, deck, and mature trees, all just moments from retail, restaurants, transit, and Algonquin College. We proudly present 30 Castlethorpe Crescent. Welcome to the tour, everyone.